All right, so in this section, we'll be talking about the parallel minors to the respective major key. So, for example, if we have C major, that's the one we always use, C to C. We know that's C major. How can we find a C minor scale? So you can think about this like a mirror. You have C major, which is you look into the mirror, the reflection coming back to you is the exact opposite. So that would be C minor in this case. So to find any parallel minor of that scale, all you do is you flatten the third, sixth, and seventh degree of the scale. So in C major, we normally have E natural, A natural, and B natural. So to find C minor, all you do is flatten them. So you'd have E flat, A flat, and B flat. So in full, everything else stays the same. So in total, how you would find that C minor or the full C minor scale would be C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, back to C. And you can hear that in the tonality compared to the major. And again, this works for any single scale, anything that you can, if you want to find any parallel minor, it would be using the exact same thing here. So you can try that with anything. Say D major to D minor. So D major, we normally have D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. So to find D minor, what we do is again flatten the third, sixth, and seventh degree. So we have D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C natural, and D. So if you notice, that's actually the F major scale, just starting on D. So D, we have the F natural. Remember in D major, this is normally F sharp. So we have the F natural, G, A, in D major, it's normally B natural. We'll flatten that. So that becomes a B flat. And then in D major, the C is normally sharp, but we're going to flatten it, so it becomes a C natural. Back to D. So in this kind of grouping of notes, we're using all the white notes except the B is flattened, which is F major, right? F major, we use all the white notes, we start on F, the B is flat, back up to the F. So it's kind of interesting there how you can quickly find if you know your scales, then you can kind of quickly find all the other ones, of course, that makes sense. But that would be the D minor. So just a couple examples for you. Again, just to kind of recap, if you know the major scale, if you flatten the third, sixth, and seventh degree of the scale, you can find the relative minor, which is kind of that parallel mirror image of the major, kind of staring back at you. So that's how you can find any parallel minor using any major key. Again, my name is Josh with Late Start Piano.